Alright, what's going on, y'all? About 4 months ago, I uploaded a video called the Walmart Fishing Challenge, and I said if I got 25 likes, that I'd film me trying to catch some fish on some of them lures that I bought. Well, it got about like 700 some likes and like 30,000 views, most viewed video ever on my channel. So we're gonna see how many fish we can catch on those different lures that I bought in that video. And if you haven't seen the video, go ahead and check it out right now. Ty, there's seriously so many bluegill over here. There's seriously so many bluegill over here. Got him. Yep, it's a good one. It's a good one. Oh, that's a nice bass. I was talking to Ty about all these bluegill. That's what he's fishing for. And this guy came up from that grass and nailed it. Oh yeah, come here, baby. He's a fatty. Come on. There he is. It's a solid fish. Look at that, about a 2-pounder or so. I'll take it. On that crankbait, probably gonna switch lures here in a bit. See if we can get him on anything else. Never. Got another one on that crankbait. Little baby. I'll take it. Alright, so we've caught plenty of fish on this crankbait right here. And I think we're going to switch to a black buzzbait or something, because I really want to catch some on top water.
You hit that bird.
There's one on the buzzbait. Jumped off.
I just didn't realize my drag is so tight.
There's another one. He isn't as good, I don't think. Little bass right here. A good shot of him. Now for the release. Alright, so the topwater bite is kind of dying down, and this might not be the exact chatterbait that I bought in the video, but I did show you a white chatterbait in that video, and that's what I'm going to be switching to today.
Skipped. What?
Oh, there's one on that white chatterbait. He is freaking fighting. Dang, I never seen a bass fight so hard. Dang. He's all wrapped up in this grass. It's a good fighter. Got him. I knew these lures could catch fish that I bought in that Walmart challenge. I'll take that right there. Look at that. Nice bass right there. broke off. Yeah, I did.
Your lure?
Yeah. We are switching to the Senko. I know I'll be able to catch a fish on this lure, and that's why I bought it in that video, showing you how to catch fish, what to use, what situation.
What is the challenge today? What are we doing today?
We are doing the Walmart challenge. All these lures I'm using today, bought at Walmart. I think I got one. Yep, there he is. This is definitely a fish, folks, not a weed. Look at that bass. Right on that Senko. Yum dinger, green pumpkin. Get you some nice bass from this pond. There he is. There he is. It's a nice one. Under the boat. Look at that. On the Senko. Well, this is probably our last fish of the day out here. Come back tomorrow, but overall it was a great challenge. We caught a fish on pretty much every bait that I bought. So it was a great challenge out here. Try to get some more in tomorrow, more fishing in. We're gonna come out with a lot of videos upcoming, so you should stay tuned for that. Just end it with that little fish choking a Senko right here. That is absolutely sick right there. Nice largie. Pretty good. Oh yeah. I swear to God that was a fish.
Because you had the whole thing.